Welcome back to Woven Deal, where we dive deep into the world of online business, custom creation, and digital entrepreneurship. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire workflow of starting, launching, and managing a professional print-on-demand store from scratch. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer looking to streamline your system, this tutorial covers every single step you need to master. We will cover platform selection, product research, artwork creation, store setup, listing optimization, order management, customer service, and strategic scaling techniques. Follow along closely as we break down these strategies into actionable insights to help transform your creative concepts into a sustainable online brand. Understanding the underlying framework of print on demand is essential before you start spending time on design work or online store development. Print on demand is a model where merchandise is produced only after a customer orders, eliminating inventory needs or upfront production costs. When a beer purchases an item, order details are automatically transmitted to your chosen third-party fulfillment partner. The partner prints the design on the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer on your behalf. This system minimizes financial risk, allowing you to focus on graphic design, market research, and targeted digital marketing. Selecting the right fulfillment provider serves as the foundational pillar for your entire brand operation and long-term business success. Platforms like Printify and Printful offer catalogs ranging from t-shirts and hoodies to custom ceramic mugs, tote bags, and home decor. Evaluate potential partners by analyzing production locations, processing times, base item costs, shipping rates, and available decoration techniques. Choosing a network with multiple regional facilities reduces transit times and costs, which improves customer satisfaction and repeat business. Before opening any software to create graphics, you must conduct thorough market research to identify profitable niches. Successful stores target specific subcultures, hobbies, or professions, rather than trying to sell generic designs to everyone. Use search tools and marketplace data to uncover what potential buyers are actively looking for online. Analyze top-selling products to identify recurring visual themes, typography styles, color palettes, and popular messaging trends. Discover unaddressed market opportunities where you can offer fresh, original, and visually appealing merchandise designs. Creating high-quality artwork requires a clear understanding of graphic design fundamentals, vector files, and digital print specifications. You can utilize design applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva, or Affinity Designer to develop your custom graphics. Every third-party print partner provides specific artwork guidelines, including recommended canvas dimensions and resolution requirements such as 300 dots per inch. It is critical to create your designs using transparent backgrounds, typically saved as high-resolution PNG files. This ensures artwork blends onto garment colors without unwanted white rectangular backgrounds or jagged edges around your image borders. Typography plays a massive role in custom apparel sales, as textual messaging often drives immediate emotional connection and impulse purchases. When creating text-based merchandise designs, focus heavily on font choices, line spacing, letter kerning, and overall visual balance. Make sure to pair complementary fonts, such as combining a bold hand-lettered script with a clean sans serif typeface to create visual hierarchy. Always verify that the fonts you select are licensed for commercial use, ensuring you remain compliant with copyright law and marketplace policies. Protecting your business from intellectual property infringement is a non-negotiable step that protects your store from legal issues and platform bans. Before finalizing any design, run checks on public trademark databases to ensure your phrases and imagery are original. Once your artwork files are ready, you need to set up a centralized account with your chosen third-party fulfillment supplier. Most fulfillment platforms allow you to input a custom return address, ensuring returned choices, line spacing, letter kerning, and overall visual balance. Make sure to pair complementary fonts, such as combining a bold hand-lettered script with a clean sans serif typeface to create visual hierarchy. Always verify that the fonts you select are licensed for commercial use, ensuring you remain compliant with copyright law and marketplace policies. Protecting your business from intellectual property infringement is a non-negotiable step that protects your store from legal issues and platform bans. Before finalizing any design, run checks on public trademark databases to ensure your phrases and imagery are original. Once your artwork files are ready, you need to set up a centralized account with your chosen third-party fulfillment supplier. Most fulfillment platforms allow you to input a custom return address, ensuring returned packages are handled efficiently without exposing your personal space. Whether you choose Shopify, Ecommerce, Etsy, or eBay, most print suppliers offer direct one-click store integration apps. Once linked, data flows automatically, meaning new orders instantly sync to the factory floor and shipping tracking numbers route back to customers. With your store connected, you can begin uploading your design files into the Fulfillment Provider Product Generator tool. Pay close attention to print area boundaries, making sure the graphic sits at an aesthetically pleasing height across the chest. While a t-shirt model might have 30 colorways, offering for 6 carefully selected colors typically yields better conversion rates. A standard rule of thumb for print-on-demand apparel is aiming for a profit margin between 30 and 40%. Creating search engine optimized product titles and descriptions is key to driving organic traffic to your store listings. Using lifestyle mockups featuring real human models often results in significantly higher conversion rates than basic digital mockups. Choose a clean, modern design theme that puts your custom product visuals at the absolute center of the user experience. Configuring shipping options correctly ensures that buyers are not surprised by unexpected fees during the final checkout procedure. Before launching your store publicly, you should always order physical sample products to inspect the final print quality firsthand. Developing a strategic digital marketing plan is essential for driving targeted traffic to your newly published print-on-demand merchandise listings. Analyzing core e-commerce metrics gives you the objective data required to optimize store performance and eliminate operational bottlenecks. Providing excellent, responsive customer service is a primary component of building a trustworthy digital brand with long customer retention. Scaling your print-on-demand operations involves continuously expanding your product catalog while optimizing internal workflow efficiencies. Embracing intelligent operational automation frees up your calendar so you can focus entirely on strategic growth and creative vision. Take full advantage of customized branding options, such as custom neck labels and branded outer packaging stickers. By maintaining a disciplined approach to store operations and design quality, you build a resilient e-commerce brand that grows year after year. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment.